Hey guys, it's me and welcome back to another Roblox video. So today we are playing the theme park tycoon. I haven't made a video on this yet because I just wanted it to look cool before I actually did a video. So I'm gonna just tell you what I have so far. This is the teacups, which I renamed Coffee Spin, obviously. This is the old timer. There's the food, our entrance. I called my park the Thrill, obviously. This is called the Tarantula, and that one over there was the Viper. Bathrooms are called Bathroom, obviously. And then this one is called Rocket Launch, and this one I haven't finished. And I think I'm just gonna call it Birdie. Here, let's see if I have enough money. Wait, what? No! Okay, no. I clicked on the wrong. No! Dang it. Edit right track at the end of segment. Oh, we don't have enough money. Wait, what? Okay, remove. That better. No, sir, you're supposed to still too high. Wait, remove. Okay. Yeah, okay. Oh, remove. It's still too high. I can't believe it. I just can't. Okay, I ran out of money. Maybe I should start going down. Flip, I need $14 more. Seriously? I've never been this bankrupt before. I'm poor, guys. What? Emily, what are you doing here? We're still under construction. Get out. Get out. Thank you, Emily. So many people in my theme park. Oh, how amazing. Wait. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Okay. Hello. Okay, that was weird. Now my character won't move. Why? I can only jump now. Move, sir. Move. Oh, there we go. Wait. Oh, this one's really cool. Okay, I want to show you guys something. So if you haven't finished your ride yet, you can still test it. So look, I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go testing. F. No, sir. Okay. Thank you. Okay, now press F again. Come on, we're going on a trip on our favorite birdie ride. Yeah, that makes sense. What? I need to put it. No, that can't be. Okay, wait. I need to put this in there. Closed. Dang it! I messed up. Wait, I need to go over here, like this, just like so. Okay. That's weird. Yeah. Now, selected piece. Okay, remove. Ah! No, I'm gonna fall. Okay, yeah, there we go. Okay. Okay, there we go. That was weird. Yep, and then... Wait, do I need to put it there also? Wait. Okay, on that. Now I need... collected peas. Okay. Move. Now. No, I don't want that. No, what? What's that mean? Is that like a place where they... That was so weird. Wait, no. Remove. Now I need this. And now take that off and go straight down. I can wait way more sense. Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys something. Okay, you jump all the way down. Thankfully I don't die when I do that. Testing. Wait, no. F. That was so close. Okay. No, okay, it's following that little dot. Why is it like morning time and the moon is still out, but there's like a bunch of people that don't care about the time? Okay, so I'm almost about to die. I'm testing this. If I die, this is what the test... Oh my gosh! I died, you guys. I died. That can't happen. That just cannot happen. I cannot die. I'm not supposed to die. Yeah, I'm not supposed to die. This character right here, with my face on it, is not supposed to die. Okay. Sadly, I died and, like, revived right where I was standing. Some other people, like, actually die, like, these fake people die, and they never come back. They're like, a train has crashed in the birdie station. Kaylee has died. And then you're like, oh my god, Kaylee has died. And then nobody goes to that ride for like a long time. Birdie. Birdie? Birdie, is that how you write it? I have no idea. What? It didn't work? Why? Bird. E. Bird. Enter. Oh, it doesn't work. Okay, let's just put. Oh, I don't know, like. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. Okay, it works. It works. Look at that. I can just climb up it. Nobody notices me for some reason. And then parkour! And I don't die. I was actually trying to land over here. It did not work. It did not work. Wait, how much? How much time has passed this video? I don't know, wait, what? Wait, let me check. So I checked and it was only 8 minutes. I thought it was like 10 already or something. Okay. So 8 minutes have passed, so there's 7 more minutes, I think. Yeah, 7 more minutes of this video. Well, now let's check some other people's, because, yeah, let's just do it. This guy is beating me. No, he isn't. He's right behind me. Yeah, I have 2 stars, and he has trash all over his. Ah! What? Oh, that's just teacups. Why is there trash all over his floor? I'm on the carousel. I'm on the carousel. Bye. Oh, what is this? What is it called? It's called Space Rings. I'm doing it. Hello, people. I didn't think I'm gonna like this. Oh no. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. What is going on? Oh no. Help. Help. No. No. I'm so dizzy. Whoa. Oh, finally. Oh wait, no. I went in through the exit. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm not sorry. Wait, what? Why did he not finish that little itty bitty part? And it's not even open? But that looks really cool, actually. Okay, so 10 minutes, finally. Okay, so that means 5 more minutes. No, what? Okay, there we go. Is man poop fish guy here? Seriously, that's his name. I don't know why. I don't know his real name though. I know that his username goes like Happy Man Poo Poo Fish Face. Yeah, that was his name. I invited him, but he's not coming. Is he offline still? Oh, what the? Oh, right. I wonder what the spiral slide is. Oh, why is this so? It looks like sand. Oh, that's so weird. This is the end of the slide, okay. What? That teleported me. Wait, why won't it work? Why is nobody in this part? Only that person is staying still. Wait, what? That was weird. Why is nobody? Is this part closed? I think it is. Oh, it is. Okay, I'm gonna tell them that I'm sorry. Oh wait, never mind. Oh, SRY. Oh, sorry. Yeah, there you go. I apologized. What? He has the flying roller coaster already and I don't. That's not fair. That's so not fair. That is so... Whoa, I love this. That is so not fair. I need to write it. I have to. Oh, that's where it starts. Wait, it's not the flying roller coaster though? Huh, that's weird. Wait, no, sir, wait. Oh, you took my... Oh, you can ride with you. Okay. Wait, why am I looking backwards? I don't want to look backwards. No, stop. No. Okay. Yeah, there we go. So, are we gonna move? Sir? Or whoever's controlling this? Move! I do not want to waste the last 2 minutes of my video. Nah. This is boring. Well, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like. And if you loved this video, then subscribe and smash that like. And if you want more of this video, like videos like this, please tell me down in the comments if I should do better or what you want to watch me do. And if you didn't like it, leave a dislike and tell me down in the comments what you want to see, because and also tell me why you didn't like the video. And finally this roller coaster starts. So I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see y'all next time. Good. Oh.